Now, I saw the other day that you said you once tried to hire a nightclub. You tried to hire a nightclub in London for a dinner party, but what kind of party girl are you? Are you a dinner girl?
Yeah, no, it's a kind of filthy nightclub. I'll come give you a hug in a minute.
This is
Oh my God, they look
sorry.
good.
This is the best. Don't worry about my question. That
Sorry,
was awesome.
yes, I tried to hire a nightclub, a filthy nightclub, like carpet floor nightclub. If anyone from the Gold Coast knows Melba's, it's kind of like the Melba's equivalent in London. But yeah, they wouldn't let me hire it for a dinner party. Rude.
Hey, welcome home. We can't wait to see this film. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.